This blurry photo turned into this in seconds. And the crazy part, one of these tools is completely free. So I tested the most popular AI image enhancers, and one of them honestly looks better than Photoshop. I tested these tools using the same images. A blurry portrait, a product photo, an old image, and even AI art. And I'm ranking them based on real results: quality, price, ease of use, platform, and who they're actually for. Watch till the end, because the ranking might surprise you. To keep this fair, every tool gets the same test images, starting with number 5, Upscale. This one is completely free, open source, and runs on your own computer. That means no subscriptions, no watermarks, and full privacy. Watch this. I'm dragging in this low-resolution photo right now. I'll choose one of its models. Hit Upscale. For a free tool, this is honestly impressive. It sharpens images, reduces noise, and can upscale up to 16 times. It is the best free option. Highly recommend bookmarking, but needs decent hardware. Next, Remini, and this one is insanely popular. It is a mobile-first AI enhancer that specializes in one thing: faces. Watch what happens when I load this old photo. This isn't just sharpening, it's actually reconstructing facial details. This is why people use it to restore old family photos. I've seen people get emotional seeing results like this. It even enhances old blurry videos, which is rare. The free tier adds watermarks to downloads, but at $29.99 a year, it's affordable. Quick pause. If you're finding this useful, the like button is right there. It only takes a second, and it tells YouTube this video is worth sharing. Now back to it. Now this one is completely different. This isn't just an upscaler, this is a creative AI. Instead of just sharpening your image, Magnific actually adds new detail. When I give a prompt like add realistic skin pores, fine hair details, cinematic lighting, watch this. Look at this, those skin pores, the hair strands. That detail was not in the original image. The AI literally created it and made it look real. It's like having an art director inside your computer. This is why AI artists love it, but it's not for everyone. At around $34 a month, it's expensive. So here's the final review. Best for AI art, insane detail generation, expensive. By the way, if you're not subscribed yet, now is a great time. I cover AI tools, software, and creator tech every week. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it. Now this one surprised me. LetsEnhance. What makes it different is its multiple AI models. You can choose different modes for portraits, products, or detailed images. This gives you much more control than one-click tools. And the results, very natural, not over-processed. The free tier gives you 10 images to test with. No account needed. And at $9 a month for the starter plan, it's the most accessible premium option on this list. And number 1, Topaz Gigapixel AI. This is what professionals actually use. It combines multiple AI tools into one workflow. It works with raw images, removes noise, and restores real detail. There is the Bloom Creative mode. Think of it as Topaz meeting Magnific. It can upscale to 8 times while adding imaginative details. Perfect for AI artwork. This is where it separates from everything else. It doesn't just guess detail. It recovers what's actually there. So final review. Best quality, but paid. Bonus tool. If you want something simple, use Fotor AI. No install, just upload, click, and done. It handles sharpening, color correction, and upscaling automatically. It's not the most powerful tool on this list, but for social media or quick edits, it's perfect. So which one should you use? Here is the final comparison. Free, no limits. Upscale faces, old photos, Remini. AI art, Magnific, easy, Fotor AI. Balanced, best browser, LetsEnhance. Pro, best quality, Topaz. Comment below. Which of these 5 tools did you already know about, and which one surprised you? Here's something most people don't know. The best results come from combining tools. For example, use Remini for faces, then Upscale for resolution. And always double check results, because AI can sometimes fake details. If this video saved you hours of research, hit like. It really helps. And if you want more AI tools that actually make your content better, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.